Welcome to the Marriott in Metro Manila. We're right next to the airport. This is my new favorite hotel in all of Manila. I love this Marriott property. I'm going to give you a tour. I'll show you my room. I'll show you the gym. I'll show you the executive lounge. And wait for this, I'm going to show you the pool. The pool is incredible and the view is fantastic. Well, we're in the downtown lobby right now, the downstairs lobby. You check in right over here. If you can see these areas, this is where you're going to come check in. They'll give you your room key card, and then you go up to your room. Let's go up to my room now, and I'll take you up to my room to show you how nice it is. Stay tuned. Let's go to the room. Room tour 7019. Here is inside of my room. Hello, there's me. So let me show you inside. We'll give first looks to see what this space is all about. Looking at the bathroom. I love already seeing this desk over here to work on. That is going to be very exciting. So I have a king bed room that is not with one of the nice views. Now, while I did get upgraded with lounge access and other things, I do not have a nice view, so I'm not going to brag about that. Let's check over here by the bed. I love looking over at the bed to see what type of accessories, whether there's USB ports or things like that. I see one USB port for charging. There's some power plugs over there. I love the lights up here for reading. You can see those accessory lights. And also I can already tell that there's a privacy shield into the shower only. Wow, a beautiful TV setup with a sound bar. I'm very excited about that. This is rare to see the sound bar inside of the rooms. I can't tell what these things do. Mini power amplifier, probably for DVD movies. Whoa! This speaker system, look, that's a subwoofer over there. I actually don't see subwoofers in a lot of hotel rooms, so that's very, very exciting. Holy smokes. I've been to a lot of hotel rooms and I have not seen a subwoofer. That means that this is going to be very good for watching movies if that's something that you're into, or just watching television. Nice little work couch area. I'm guessing that this does not turn into a bed. No, it does not. It's just a regular bed. Questionable mark over on the sofa. Let's go look into the closet. I'll show you some of the coffee setup. Obviously, big fan of the Nespresso machines. You can see the setup here. The gold is regular. The blue is the decaffeinated. There's some waters, a little bit of a mini bar setup. Down here, we've got our tea. We have some cups, glasses, the tea selection. Here's an oolong and then a Ceylon breakfast tea. Down below, I'm guessing this is going to be our mini bar. There's the mini bar. Inside the closet is where we have our hangers as well as bathrobes. Quality bathrobes, I like that, as well as the shoes down there. This next one is our ironing board and the iron. So that's that. I didn't see, did you guys see a safe in one of these? Maybe the safe is in the other. Nobody ever asks me on my videos to show the safe, so I'm not going to show it. Here's the bathroom. Let's check the bathroom out. You can see the toilet along with the shower nozzle thing. Good toilet, very basic setup. Nice to see the hairdryer out. Usually it's like hung away. I'm guessing this will be our amenity kit. Oh, and it is. Nice amenity kit here, which you can see. Good setup with the Marriott brand stuff. Towel quality looks especially good. I stayed at another hotel last night and the towels were not as good as that. And then the shower. I love to see the shower and especially the shower head. I note that there's no bath here, which is fine, but it has this setup. Okay, that's nice. I don't hate that. It's very good. This is a privacy shield or a window that can come down by pushing this button over here. So you can see right now that the shield is going down and I'm gonna raise it right back up. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this room. I like this. I'm excited to go and check out the lounge. I'm excited to go and look at the gym, which I will show you as well. Can I give a quick little shout out for something here? I would just like to tell you real quick. Hello, my name is Nick Gray. I do these hotel videos because I love hotels and I love traveling all around the world. And I wrote this book called The 2-Hour Cocktail Party. All you have to do, just look it up on Amazon because the reviews are incredible. This book will help you to build your network. This book will help you to make new friends, to meet your neighbors, or just to learn how to host a good event. I spent about 5 years and like $50,000 writing and building this book. And it is so easy to read. You can read the whole thing in like an hour. This is my commercial. I will now continue. I'm over. I'm going to go back to exploring this hotel. Welcome as we explore the Marriott Manila. Let's look at the Executive Lounge. I'm here on the second floor, which is the Executive Lounge area. They serve breakfast, afternoon tea, and then dinner snacks here. And you would have this area if you are a Marriott Titanium member or if you pay for the access. Now, I want to note one interesting thing is that there's a conference room back there that anyone can get for 2 hours. And it's pretty cool. There's a TV with HDMI video out, and there's a whiteboard in there, and you can have 2 free hours for it, which is really neat. The golf course is out here, as you can see, a really beautiful view. There's so much seating over here. It's really nice. I've enjoyed having access to this lounge. I'll just show you real quick. The food in the morning is set in the very back, but right here, this is the afternoon tea. You can see there's mini Hawaiian pizza. We've got some snacks set up. And then the drinks, there's juices. Look at all these juices that are set up right here. I'm just gonna take a picture. We've got some sodas. And then these juices, which are really nice. Hello. And then here's the tea selection in the morning. I always love to see a good tea selection. So I'll just peep over so you can see those. That's pretty good. And then here's the coffee machine. There's also alcohol over here, and they have that set up. So overall, I have to say I'm really happy. I really like this executive lounge. There's plenty of seating. There's good Wi-Fi here. I also love the conference room. Let's go explore more of this hotel. Well, I'm gonna walk you now to go up to the gym. Let's take a look at the gym. This gym is very good, but the pool is above, and the pool is even nicer than the gym. Let me show you that. Hold on. Welcome to the health club. As we go in, I'm gonna key in my card. Let's see if this works, pardon me. Okay, coming on into the gym, and let's check this out. I love to see all of these machines. Wow, this was so busy. Another great view. Holy smokes, look at the view of downtown Manila. Fantastic. Here are the weights. Look, I love to see a Smith machine. We love seeing this at a gym. Incline bench, this machine, a lot of free weights over here. The weights are set up under the pounds. You start at 5 pounds, and it goes all the way up to 50 pounds. So that's pretty nice. They've got plenty of weights. Cardio machines, you can see the ellipticals over here. Hey, by the way, if you're watching this video, I think I'm one of the only YouTubers to go to hotels and to show the gyms. If you care about your workouts like I do, will you please leave me a comment in the comments? Just say hello, let me know when you're coming here. It really encourages and motivates me to keep making these videos at luxury hotels around the room. Here is all the equipment. We see 1, 2, 3, 4 treadmills and 5 elliptical machines. There are these reticular bike stuff over here, as well as several free weight machine stuff. I love to see the balls that they have. Also, this is interesting. Oh, there's a scale if you're working to measuring your diet. These are really neat. I haven't seen these in too many hotels. These are weighted bars, and you can do some cool exercises with those. Let me now take you, however, to one of my favorite spots, which is the pool. Now, I'm not gonna take you into the sauna, but I want you to know this, that if you're coming to this hotel, you need to go to the locker rooms outside of the gym. What do they have there? They have a sauna and they have a steam room. The gym here is open from 6 a.m. until 10 p.m. at night. I went in the sauna last night. It was such a nice way. I just slept so well whenever I sauna. It was great. We're going now up to the pool. Let me show you. Just wait until you see what it looks like. Let's go this way. I hope nobody. Okay, we're gonna walk up these stairs and go all the way up here. The sauna, by the way, the locker rooms are back there. That's where you'll go. But here, coming up to the pool, an infinity pool. Now, there is a small thing that kind of looks like a hot tub, but it wasn't heated too much. See these guys sitting in it? That's the hot tub. This is the pool that I'm talking about. Look at this view. Look at the infinity setup. When you're inside of it, oh my Lord, it looks so nice with that really cool view. And trust me, you want to come up here at night. You want to come up around sunset. And I just want to say, look down here at the end. There's a bar that they have down at the end where you can get drinks, you could probably get snacks, you can get water right over here. Look at that, that's nice. Super cool. Great, well, this is the rooftop pool. I'll give you one more look over here to give some of these people a little privacy, but to show the look, how nice is that? How good is that? Now this pool, by the way, you can absolutely swim laps in it. I do not know the length. If you know the length of the pool, let me know in the comments. But it is a absolute lap-friendly pool, which I think is so cool. And I'm gonna give you one more look just out to the golf course. Look, I'm definitely only staying here at this hotel. When I'm in Manila, I think this is the place. This is definitely the nicest hotel that I've seen, especially in the Marriott Bonvoy network. I'm gonna wrap up my hotel tour here. This has been the Marriott in Manila. I love this place, I really like it. I enjoyed my time here, my room was nice, the executive lounge was good. Thank you so much for watching. Will you do me one favor? Will you give me a like or leave me a comment? I make these videos for fun, for free, just to share my favorite hotels all around the world. When you're in Manila, this one is the nicest one I've stayed at. Let me know, by the way, if you like another hotel and I'll try it out. I have another video of the lobby at the Conrad, and that one was interesting. You can check that out. It's right on the Manila Bay waterfront. All right, thank you for watching. Have a great trip when you come to Manila, Philippines. Bye.